Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Curious Yogi. Namaste, I'm Suchi. Today's meditation is a simple daily gratitude meditation to acknowledge the good that we already have in our lives. One of the keys to happiness is simplicity, and one of the keys to simplicity is gratitude. Today, we will consciously tend to all things that we are grateful for. So let's begin. Just be comfortable, whatever that might mean to you, and close your eyes. In this meditation, we will steep into gratitude and let it wash all over ourselves, and just let ourselves be changed by it. So just take a deep breath and call to your mind right now. What is your gratitude list? What are all the things that you're grateful for? Ask yourself, what are all the things that I'm grateful for? These can be powerful, strong experiences of gratitude. And they can also be the way you have fallen in love with the simplest things. Just feel the range. See what comes in. It could be the people in your life who you love and are grateful that they exist. You're grateful that you've had the chance to know them. The experiences, the gifts, the generosity. Ask yourself and see the abundance that shows up everywhere, here and there in your life. The simplest things, the tastes, the sounds, the smells, the textures, those things in particular that might give you daily delight and make you feel glad that you're alive. Now that you have a gratitude list in your mind, let's choose one to go into it a little bit more deeply. Pick one thing that you are truly grateful for. It could be a person, it could be an experience. As you review the experience, turn this image around in your mind and see everything about it. Allow your body and your breath to engage with the image and the state it evokes. How does it feel in your heart when you think about this? The way your senses open up. What you see, what you hear, the sensations in your body, and the energy evoked by this particular sense of gratitude. Notice how you breathe. In your inner world, thank this image and thank this experience of gratitude. Take a deep breath And now let's move to the second chosen item on your list. Pick another item on your gratitude list, and as you explore this one, allow yourself to feel it even more deeply. You may notice that it has some nuances different from the first. Let's get curious. Let's take in the very special qualities of this experience of gratitude. Ask yourself, what feeling is evoked in your heart? What experience in your body? The way the energy flows, the way you're moved, and the way you want to move. The way this gratitude makes you feel about yourself and about the world. Then in your own way, express your gratitude to this image. And for this experience to be part of your life. Let's take another deep breath and continue with one more experience of gratitude. So again, from your gratitude list, think about one more person or one more experience that you're truly grateful for. And let's go deep and soak it up. As you see, hear, feel, remember, appreciate what this particular feeling is, what this particular sensation is, and the particular energy that is evoked in this relationship. Bring the attention to your breath. How are you breathing right now? How are you moved? Feel how you're embodying gratitude in relationship with this chosen memory and experience. Feel how this special experience is changing you and how you feel about yourself in the world around you. And once again, find some expression and a way of giving back and having this experience, however simple or profound it may seem. And just say thank you in your own way. Now gently allow all these three memories and experiences to begin to open you to the general state of being called gratitude. Let the particular images flow and fade, and just allow yourself to be in the after effect of the sensations and feelings. With your eyes closed, you can see these beautiful memories floating around you. Just allow yourself to be moved. And just thank all these beautiful experiences and what they've taught you and what they've made you feel. Just feel this beautiful power of gratitude warming your heart. Sometimes the power of gratitude may break your heart as well. We are touched by love, sometimes in the most unexpected ways. You may feel this feeling of melting inside. You may feel sorrow for missing what you're grateful for. You may gurgle with joy. You may soar with inspiration. Just allow every self of your being to be touched and transformed by this quality of perception, of appreciation, and your ability to appreciate and receive this beautiful gift of life. Just steep and soak in this beautiful feeling. And now gently allow yourself to simply let go of that fullness of feeling and rest in yourself in the afterglow. And know that your entire being is thankful and is beaming with gratitude. There is a Noah who experiences everything. There is a presence dancing everywhere. And there is a lover who embraces us all. Gently fold your hands and bow to this beautiful light that shines within us. I am one with that light. I am one with that power. And I am one with that love. Thank you for joining me in this meditation. Have a beautiful day, and please consider joining the Curious Yogi community here on YouTube. Namaste.